So Ben, what do we got today?
Today we're building the spars up for the horizontal stabilizers for the Zero. This is a rear spar here. They're pretty simple, but a little strange. The fittings in them, this is all that's supporting the spar, is this fitting here, and they're put on with steel rivets. It's a rather interesting thing. I'm still learning a little bit how they have another piece that goes in here that tapers down, learning about why that's segmented. It's a rather interesting engineering question. Basically the thing's built really light. It's 4 pieces to the spar. We have a doubler on the rear, the actual rear spar, and then the fitting, and then the rear spar doubler. Oh, I got it backwards. Anyway, the rear spar doubler and another doubler plate. And we have our hinges installed, or on the way to being installed. We got one out at the tip. They're rather interesting hinges in that they have a little block that goes in here. It's like a little rod end, but with an aluminum stub that slides in, and that can stay with the control surface, the elevator, and you just pull this vertical pin out and the whole thing comes apart that way for changing it out easy in the field.
Cool.
And we have the forward spars all riveted up. It's on the jig over there. And
Now show me where this attaches right here, just so people can see.
this right here in our jig will go into its mount point and get pinned in. And the I got it upside down again. And the corresponding hinge points over here for the elevator go onto the jig point right here and out at the tip. And then when this is all locked in, we can put the ribs in. Anyway.
And then those 2 attachment points, the bottom and the top here, they're going to hook right over here, right?
This goes on this side. Let's go over
Oh,
here.
that one's going to the left side. Okay.
This would be a rear spar. And it will go in just like so.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. But as you can see here, here's the 2 spars, the positions they'll be in. And out where this end rib, there's a structure that comes out about 330 millimeters. And there's the piano hinge, just like the vertical stabilizer we had talked about earlier.
Right, we got that up there.
The leading edge of the horizontals are attached with the piano hinge on top and bottom, so you can just put the whole built-up structure together really quick. And there's not a lot to it.
So this is the first time they've been attached?
And that's the first time they've been hanging on the airplane.
Cool. Thank you.